And because of the pandemic, it's only been in recent months that live music has started to return to stages in Arizona. And now several local venues say they'll be requiring guests to show proof of COVID vaccinations or a negative COVID test to attend concerts, following other entertainment companies like Nation and AEG.
Team 12's Colleen Sikora spoke to people in the concert industry here in the Valley about why they made that decision.
On a wall of show posters, one sticks out at Rebel Lounge in Phoenix. Masks strongly encouraged, a public health policy.
Yeah.
Owner Stephen Chilton didn't intend to get into the business of.
Very weird place to be where we've just been the center of so many COVID discussions because large public gatherings are kind of at the core of the crisis, and that's what we do.
But come September 20th, Rebel Lounge and 14 other Arizona independent venues say they'll be requiring either proof people have been vaccinated against COVID or a negative COVID test.
Our concern here is for the artists to be able to keep touring. Without these protocols in place, I'm afraid it's just not going to happen.
Heidi Hazelwood owns Celebrity Theater in Phoenix. Her roughly 2,600-seat venue is gearing up for 15 shows coming in September.
These artists are going from large congregated events, and they're doing it multiple times a week, and they're touring across the country. So their exposure is off the charts.
As for the response from patrons, it's been mostly positive.
We've also received quite a bit of negative feedback, which we were expecting.
Michelle Donovan, operator at the Nile Theater in Mesa, says because of the nature of the pushback they've received, she wanted to keep staff's faces off camera.
It's nothing that we feel we should be involved in, but if we want to be open and we want to be responsible for people within this venue, then we have to be involved.
While the venues are working out the details, they just want live music to stay live and in person.
We need to keep artists on the road this fall, and this is what we need to do to make them feel safe to do that.
Colleen Sikora, 12 News.